there's a few things we have to do here, and the first one is to figure out how long the ribbon is. And you can see that when you have the length of the first piece is 15 feet, that the second piece doesn't exist, and the length of the second piece is 15 feet, the first piece doesn't exist. So we know that the length of the ribbon is 15 feet. Now we have to figure out what the slope of the line is, and regardless of how you best like to calculate your slope, whether it's a slope triangle or whatever, you pick two ordered pairs and you find the distance in your y's over the distance in your x's. And so for this one, our vertical is 1 and our horizontal is 1, but we know it's a negative slope. So our slope is a -1. And we know that fits the story because as the length of one piece of ribbon increases, the other one has to decrease. And because you have an inverse relationship where one's going up and the other one's going down, that's going to give you that negative slope.